He has to pass confirmation through the Senate to make it official. And right away, the radical left wing, communist socialist establishment, New World Order media is calling him a racist, like they do with everyone associated with Donald Trump and Donald Trump himself. And so, is Jeff Sessions a racist? He desegregated schools and got the death penalty for a KKK member. Report out of the Weekly Standard. Of course, they're calling Sessions a racist. Sessions a racist. I like Jeff Sessions. He's come out strong for national sovereignty and against these New World Order trade deals, the TPP, for instance. These charges stem back to his Senate Judiciary Committee confirmation hearings for a federal bench position he was appointed to by Ronald Reagan in 1986. He was accused by Thomas Figgers, a black assistant U.S. attorney who worked for Sessions, who said that Sessions called him boy and made a joke about how he thought the KKK was okay until he found out that they smoked pot. Another prosecutor, J. Gerald Herbert, said Sessions had called a white lawyer a disgrace to his race for representing black clients. There's no concrete reason to doubt either Figgers or Herbert, according to the Weekly Standard. But more claims have been made by the NAACP and ACLU, where Sessions said they were communist inspired, and I wouldn't disagree with it. But we go through, fast forward to Sessions becoming a member of the U.S. Senate. He was the only Republican to vote for black Attorney General Eric Holder, nominated by Obama. Sessions' actual track record certainly doesn't suggest he's a racist. Quite the opposite, in fact. As a U.S. attorney, he filed several cases to desegregate schools in Alabama, and he also prosecuted Klansman Henry Francis Hayes, son of Alabama Klan leader Bernie Hayes, for abducting and killing Michael Donald, a black teenager selected at random. Sessions insisted on the death penalty for Hayes. When he was later elected to State Attorney General, Sessions followed through and made sure Hayes was executed. The successful prosecution of Hayes also led to a $7 million civil judgment against the Klan, effectively breaking the back of the Klan in Alabama. As a U.S. attorney, he also prosecuted a group of civil rights activists, which included a former aide to Martin Luther King, for voter fraud in Perry County, Alabama. The case fell apart, and Sessions blatantly told me he failed to make the case. This incident has also been used as a claim against Sessions, saying he's racist. So, I mean, we know that this is the game plan, the talking points of the mainstream communist socialist New World Order media. Anyone that Donald Trump appoints to any position is a racist, anti-Semite, xenophobic, Islamophobic, go down the list, basket of deplorables, like Hillary Clinton said. And so they're going to continue with this talking point, smear campaign, propaganda against anyone that's for national sovereignty and against the New World Order, one world government, globalist agenda. So again, Jeff Sessions desegregated schools in Alabama and got the death penalty and broke the back of the KKK in Alabama, allowing them to win a $7 million civil suit for that murder, that he convicted the man and gave him the death penalty for committing. That doesn't sound very racist to me. Do your own research about Jeff Sessions, about the smear campaign that the communist, socialist, lying, fake news, mainstream media is putting on Donald Trump. Pray for this